Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Sawar Mahdi. Today we will see about Q&A. Do you know what is Q&A? This is question and answer. So mainly this video is very important. Okay, so watch this video till the end. So in the board you can see the first question is okay, I'm taking blue pen now. Do you like cookies? So, what do you say? If anyone if anyone question you, do you like cookies? So, and then most of the people say that, yes, I like. But actually, this is wrong. So, like this, most of the people can, most of the people can write here, yes, I like. So, but this is totally wrong. So what is the correct answer? Yeah, we have to find what is the correct answer. So the correct answer is yes, I do. Why we will write here I do? Yes, you can see in the question do. Do you like cookies? So in the auxiliary verb we will use here yes, I do. Okay, yes, I do. Actually, this overlapped on the do. Anyway, yes, I do. So you will say, yes, I do, not I like. So in the same way, in the next question, we can see, were you mad at me? Yes, I were. Will you say were? No. You have to see that were you. Here is you. That's why they used were. But you are saying yes, I dash. That means yes, I was. Because you can't say that I were. You have to say I was. So yes, I was. Actually, it looks bad. I was. Okay. Yes, I was. In the same way, did you call him? Will you say, yes, I called? No. You will say, yes, I did. Because this is in past tense. And you all know that in past tense, so after person, everything will be the same. Not for I, there will be a different thing. Did, everywhere is did. Yes, I did. So after that, in the last question, we can see, are you hungry? Are you hungry right now? So if you are hungry, so of course comment on the write on the comment box if you are hungry now. So are you hungry? So what you will say? Yes, here is are for you, but you have to write for I. So you know that. So you have to write yes, I am. I think you all understood these very easily because these are very easy, and you have to follow these for speaking in advancedly. So don't forget to use these in your conversation, in your daily speaking. So these are about today's. Of course, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit a like. So see you again in the next video. Allah Hafiz.